Hey there YouTube, this is Wyatt Bembry here. We're getting ready to work on a 2011 Pilot, right here. Recently, within the last couple weeks, we had some issues with the check engine light coming on and the D button, or the D light that is a part of the transmission for drive, was flashing. So I did some research, scanned the car, and the code came up, and it's talking about the automatic transmission switch for the oil pressure for the automatic transmission, and so we have to replace the sensor that is attached to the transmission, and we're gonna get ready to do that now. We're gonna have to remove the driver's side wheel with this gun right here. It's a 1/2-inch gun, but battery operated. For a Pilot, it takes a 22mm socket to remove the lug nuts off. Right here is the part that we're replacing. It's a Honda part, a genuine Honda part. It's the for the oil pressure switch for the D3 shift mechanism for 2011 Pilot. It also needs a crush washer. That's a 10mm. This goes onto the end of this. And we also are going to need a 22mm to remove that sensor, and we have to use a ratchet to do that. And we're going to need a screwdriver just to help us out in the removal process. That's it. Alright guys, so we're getting ready to work here on this 2011 Pilot. The cause of the issue was a check engine light and the D mechanism for the transmission. The light is flashing in the dash, so we're gonna have to replace the transmission oil pressure switch, which is this part right here. The part number is on it. It's a Honda genuine part, and it also needs a crush washer. That's a 10mm that attaches to it. So before we put in that sensor, we need a impact gun, which this one's cordless, and a 22mm socket to remove the lug nuts that are on the wheel. We're going to be removing the driver's side wheel to get to the sensor. To remove the sensor itself, you're going to need also another 22mm and a ratchet to make sure that it comes off, and a flathead screwdriver will help you remove that as well. So YouTube, we got some new tools for our YouTube channel. In this box, we bought a brand new jack to help us assist on lifting any vehicles that we're going to do in the future, including the Pilot that we're going to work on. The jack is from Macro Tools. We're going to put it together and we're going to use it on this Pilot. I just purchased this today. Also purchased some jack stands. I have 4 of them. We should only need 2 to lift this vehicle to do what we're doing for this job, but this is what we're going to start using for our YouTube channel to make it as safe as possible underneath the vehicle so we don't get hurt. And that's it. What is this? Clips. Clip, clip, clip. This piece. Is that stripped? It's not holding. It's tightened. Why is it? Okay. Let's see. Okay, let's just go with this side. I'm trying to break nothing. One. That came out without the thing.